In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Telegram Cloud, which is one of the most underutilized features on Telegram. This lets you store files, photos, videos, and messages that you can access from any device at any time. Whether you're switching between your phone, tablet, or computer, your saved content is always available in the cloud. This is perfect for keeping important files handy or transferring content between devices without using email or external storage. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer, or if you prefer using a browser, go to web.telegram.org and log in with your account. Once Telegram loads, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Now, in the chat list, look for and click on Saved Messages. This is your personal cloud storage space within Telegram. It appears just like any other chat, but it's completely private and only visible to you. Once you click into Save Messages, you'll immediately see any files, photos, videos, links, or messages you've previously saved. From here, you can access or upload files instantly. To upload a new file, simply drag and drop it into the Save Messages window, or click the attachment icon and select the file from your device. Your file will be uploaded to Telegram's cloud and synced across all your devices instantly. You can also forward messages from other chats directly to saved messages by right-clicking any message and selecting forward, then choosing Save Messages as the destination. This makes it incredibly easy to organize and save important content without cluttering your device storage. And that's it. You've successfully accessed Telegram Cloud and can now store and retrieve your files from anywhere. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.